Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Dylan and Rylie hand casting kit for couples. A complete DIY plaster hand mold kit that captures every precious detail of your bond with exceptional precision. This kit includes everything you need for a memorable crafting experience, from molding powder and casting stone to a wood base and card stand, making it the perfect gift for weddings, anniversaries, and other special occasions. With easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials, no prior experience is needed, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable activity for couples. Celebrate your love and milestones with this unique and heartfelt keepsake, ideal for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, birthdays, and more. The Dylan and Rylie hand casting kit is thoughtfully packaged, ready to be gifted to your loved ones, and can even be used as a family hand casting kit for a meaningful and cherished present. Whether you're marking a special moment or simply looking for a fun couples activity, this kit offers a beautiful way to preserve your memories. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.